Forget protein powders. This one ancient food rebuilds muscle and brain overnight after 60. You eat well, stay active, and even add a protein shake. But your muscles are still shrinking. Your arms feel weaker, your legs don't push the same way. You wonder, is this just aging? Let me be direct. This isn't just aging. This is sarcopenia, stealing your strength faster than you realize. Even with plenty of protein, your body may be in anabolic resistance. Your muscles stop responding. I'm Dr. James Porter. After 30 years, I can tell you decline happens while you sleep. For science-backed answers to regain strength and clarity, hit that subscribe button now. Today I'm revealing the one ancient superfood, 1.5 times more efficient for rebuilding overnight. Most think collagen is for skin, but your muscles are held together by it. Without it, they fall apart. Many seniors rely on beef or powders, but the real game changer is fish skin broth. Marine collagen is absorbed 1.5 times more efficiently, perfect for aging digestive systems. Clinical proof. A 6-month study in Japan tracked 120 seniors with sarcopenia. The broth group gained 3.2 pounds of muscle mass. The control group saw almost no change. This isn't just for legs. The retina and brain's memory centers are collagen-hungry tissues. Feeding them these nutrients rebuilds muscle, protects visual processing and memory recall. I once treated Robert. He did everything right but still felt fatigued and weak. He drank broth but paired it with wine. 1 glass can suppress muscle protein synthesis by 37%. He swapped alcohol for a clean routine, gained 1.8 pounds of muscle, and felt stronger in 6 weeks. To make this work, you must remove the hidden saboteurs sitting in your pantry. White rice. Its glycemic index is higher than table sugar. It slams the brakes on absorption. Processed bacon. Nitrates react with minerals, creating toxic compounds that damage muscle tissue. Instant noodles. These processed carbs trigger inflammation, stiffening tissues and accelerating breakdown. You don't need a rigid diet. You need a daily rhythm for your overnight repair ritual. The morning signal. Start with a warm cup of broth within 2 hours of waking. This signals your brain to begin the repair cycle, setting the tone for the day. The evening power pair. 2 hours before bed, have lentils or quinoa with fish skin broth. Lentils contain leucine, the ignition switch for muscle growth, fueling brain's nighttime detox. The consistency secret. Aim for 15 to 20 grams of collagen per day. If you can't stand fish skin, chicken feet broth is a powerhouse alternative, yielding 18 grams per cup. I want you to hear this clearly. You are not broken. You are simply rebuilding, one bite at a time. Your muscles and your brain are still listening. They just need the right message. Which of these mistakes have you been making? Was it the rice or the nightly glass of wine? Drop a comment below. Your story could be the wake-up call someone else needs. Subscribe for tomorrow's video, where I'll reveal a forgotten technique to strengthen your legs while you sleep. Stay strong, stay curious, and remember, your strength is still waiting.